Good afternoon, dear students. As we are discussing chapter 5, that is force and pressure. Students, basically in this chapter, we have seen so far about long answer type question, short answer type question. Now we are going to discuss the very short answer type question. Students, talking about very short answer type question. Question first is, what is main difference between cycle, pump and फुटबॉल पंप? सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको बताना है कि साइकिल पंप और फुटबॉल पंप में मेन डिफरेंस क्या होता है. स्टूडेंट, बेसिकली इन साइकिल पंप रबर ट्यूब इज़ यूज्ड which is fitted with circle, okay, and talking about football pump, so it is connected with a round ball, okay. Now students, question second is define pressure. So students, as I have earlier told you, talking about pressure, it is defined as force exerted per unit area. That is, you can give a formula for this, that pressure is equal to force upon area. This is formula for pressure. P equals F, where F indicates force and A indicates area. P equals F upon A. Talking about its unit, so students, its unit is Newton per meter square, okay. Now talking about question third is, on what factors does the buoyant force depend? स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको बताना है कि वो क्या फैक्टर है जिस पे buoyant फोर्स डिपेंड करती है. सो स्टूडेंट, देयर आर सो मेनी फैक्टर्स, बट बेसिकली द buoyant फोर्स ऑन एन ऑब्जेक्ट डिपेंड्स ऑन शेप एंड साइज. सो जो buoyant फोर्स होती है वो उस ऑब्जेक्ट के शेप और साइज दोनों पे डिपेंड करती है. Talking about question 4, it is write the formula of liquid pressure. So students, as earlier we have seen the formula of pressure, which is equal to force upon area. Now the question is, give the formula of liquid pressure. So students, for liquid pressure, again we can write down for pressure it is P, and to calculate liquid pressure the formula is small h dg. That is, P equals to liquid pressure, H equals to the depth of the liquid column, D equals to the density of the liquid, and G equals to the acceleration due to gravity, okay. So therefore you can see that P is equal to H dg. So this is all about today's lecture, where we have seen the very short answer type question. In our next lecture we will be taking the numerical type question, and we will also talk about the MCQ, true false, and fill in the blanks, okay. So students, complete your exercise, and as you all know that there is a test in second week of August, so be prepared for that. There will be 2 chapters in your examination, chapter 1 and chapter 2, okay, and questions will be of objective type question. स्टूडेंट्स, आपके एग्ज़ाम में ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आएंगे. ये दोनों चैप्टर आप लोग तैयार रखिए, ओके. टॉकिंग अबाउट चैप्टर 1, सो नेम ऑफ चैप्टर 1 इज़ कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड, एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट चैप्टर 2, इट्स नेम इज़ नॉन कन्वेंशनल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी. थैंक यू क्लास.